Hello guys, so I'm uploading and scaling through YouTube videos, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more YouTube tutorials. So open your YouTube account, head over to the video that you want to add and screen to, click on it, and click on edits, and here you get the option there and screen. Here my version is flash, so click on it and click on YouTube or playlist or subscribe and choose your end screen at a time and click on it so you want to add a video, and here you just get out from YouTube. So you can also add some under and screen tag, for example, you can add subscribe. Okay, let's add the subscribe here. Click on subscribe and choose the timing of the screen and the place, and when you're done just click on save. And this is pretty much it guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe.